Ever felt like your Raspberry Pi Pico W haunted by old bugs and broken code? I was there too. But now I know how to reset everything with just a few simple steps. And today I will show you how to do the same.
First things first, unplug your Pico W if it's currently connected. Now press and hold the bootso button, and while holding it, plug the Pico W into your computer. Boom! It'll show up as a USB drive named RPI-RP2. Next, head over to this GitHub repo and download the flash nuke.uf2 file. The name says it all. It completely wipes your Pico's memory. Now just drag and drop that file into the Pico drive. It'll reboot automatically and clean everything out. Once it's wiped, grab the fresh firmware, either CircuitPython or MicroPython, and drop it in the same way. And that's it. Your Pico W is fresh, clean, and ready to roll.
So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in next video.